What to do when your Amtrak application is not loading or it's constantly crashing. First, you want to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network so that you don't face any internet issues on the application. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to a better network. After that, you want to go to your settings and click on General. Tap on iPhone storage and you want to scroll down until you see the official Amtrak application over here. Tap on Show All and it will show all the applications available on your device. Our Amtrak application, simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its data and documents. And the next time you log in, you shouldn't be facing any problems. However, if you are still facing if the app is still not loading, you can simply delete the application from here and reinstall it from the App Store. And if that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.